Hello, teacher. Good night. Hello, my name is Rocio Rondon Aldana. I am 17 years old. I am studying engineering industrial. And I am in the third semester. It's my fault. What were done last Christmas? The last Christmas, I was sharing with family. It prepared recet coconut rice. The Coast Caribe, Colombia, tell about the main course. We down on the mugs, present this herb for as my core with coconut with exquisite flour. My list ingredients: rice, coconut, water, sugar, nuts, oil. Is ingredient. The screen in prepared their recipe the rice coconut. Want get coconut milk and beat a coconut spice with water, then dry and kiss. Caramelize the brown sugar. 3. 4. Add the coconut milk and reducing the 90% and until crisp milk caramelize. 5. Pour always much water at the juice of rice. 6. To about 4. 7. And the salt and milk. También add the rice and coconut until 3. Finish the recipe. The word for cooking over low heat. Did I invite you come to your region to try these days? Invited you to prepare this culinary delight is perfect to accompany the seafood casserole and other dishes from the Caribbean coast. Thank you. Very good.